In this tutorial, I'll demonstrate how to use CorelDRAW.app to share comments and feedback between a designer and other collaborators, such as a client or team members. Before we get started, if you're watching this video on YouTube, you'll find a link in the description below that will take you to our tutorial page on Corel's Discovery Center. Here you can also download a written copy of this tutorial. In this example, I'm using the desktop version of CorelDRAW, and I have a proposed shirt design that I'm ready to share with my client. In the Comments Inspector, I'm logged in as Joe, and I've already placed 2 comments in the document marked by these 2 arrows. I can see the comment text when hovering over the arrow, and each identifies the font. I want to ask my client which font is preferred, so I'll click the Note tool, place the note in the background, and type my question. I'm now ready for feedback from my client and other team members. First, I'll save the file to my computer. My reviewers don't need CorelDRAW Desktop because they can access my file through CorelDRAW.app in order to leave feedback. To save this document to Corel Cloud, I can choose File, Save to Corel Cloud, or click the Save and Share icon in the Comments Inspector. I'll keep the same file name and click Save and Share. This opens the file in CorelDRAW.app, where the first step is Collaboration Settings. For those who will be receiving the link to this file, I need to set their access privileges. This file is going out for review, and I want people to be able to make comments. So for everybody with the link, Reviewer is the correct access level in this case. The URL for the file is listed here, with a Copy button. I can manually distribute this URL to reviewers, or I can enter a reviewer's email so that they will be sent an email containing the link to the file. I'll enter my client's email and click Add, then I'll close the Share File window. As the client, the email I receive contains the link to open the file in CorelDRAW.app. After clicking the link, the file opens in CorelDRAW.app in my browser, and I can see the comments left by the designer in the Comments panel. Hovering over an arrow or note marker highlights the note in the panel. I'll click the note and enter my reply. I can hover over the 2 font comments and resolve them. And I want to leave one more comment of my own, using the Ellipse tool, changing the outline color to blue, and adding green fill. I'll circle the pizza on the back of the shirt and enter my comment. The file syncs automatically, so once I'm finished with my feedback, the cloud version of this file is updated. As the designer, I'll get an email notification that my cloud file has been modified. Back in CorelDRAW Desktop, I can get the file with client comments by choosing File, Open from Corel Cloud. In the Comments Inspector, here are my comments that were resolved by the client, and here's the answer to my font question. And I see the client's new comment, which I can address in the next round of edits. This brings us to the end of this tutorial on collaboration in CorelDRAW and CorelDRAW.app. If you've been watching this video on YouTube, you'll find a link in the description below that will take you to our tutorial page on Corel's Discovery Center. Here you can also download a written copy of this tutorial.